Let's be school ready with teacher Ray. Colors quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. Name the color of the given object. Example, what is the color of this ball? Is it blue, red, or orange? That's right, orange. What is the color of this flower? Is it orange, pink, or red? That's right, red. What is the color of this shirt? Is it black, blue, or brown? That's right, blue. What is the color of these bananas? Is it yellow, white, or orange? That's correct, yellow. What is the color of this leaf? Is it blue, green, or purple? That's correct, green. What is the color of this gift? Is it red, pink, or purple? That's right, purple. What is the color of these pants? Is it black, brown, or gray? That's right, black. What is the color of this jacket? Is it yellow? Is it orange? Or is it red? That's correct, orange. What is the color of this dress? Is it red, orange, or pink? That's correct, pink. What is the color of this chocolate? Is it brown, gray, or black? That's correct, brown. What is the color of this elephant? Is it white, black, or gray? That's correct, gray. What is the color of this snowman? Is it pink, white, or yellow? That's correct, white. Good job! You get a box of crayons. Name the three primary colors. What is the first primary color? That's correct. Red. Red. What is the next primary color? That's right. Blue. Blue. What is the last primary color? Awesome! Yellow. Yellow. Well done! You get colored pencils. Name the secondary colors. Red plus blue is That's correct. Purple. Purple. Red plus yellow is That's right. Orange. Orange. Blue plus yellow is That's correct. Green. Green. Very good. You get watercolors. Match the color to its name. Example: let's match the first color. That's correct. Blue. Let's match the next one. That's right. Yellow. Can you match the last color? That's correct. Red. Can you match the first color? That's correct. Orange. Please match the next color. That's correct. Purple. Please match the last color. That's right. Green. Can you match the first one? That's right. Pink. Please match the second color. That's correct. White. Can you match the last color? That's awesome. Black. Please match the color to its name. Please match the first one. That's right. Brown. Can you please match the second one? That's awesome! Gray. You did it! You get more art supplies. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching!